sabay kaming nag-training sa trabaho namin.
Nagkakilala lang kami sa examination. Hanggang sa nag-hiwalay, tapos nagkita lang ulit kami after a year. Happy anniversary as mag-grow. Next year iba na. Iba na yung celebrate natin.
Actually, anniversary date namin ngayon. So, last year kasi, nag-propose ako sa kanya. Same date anniversary din namin, on our 12th year. So, ngayon, 13th year na kami.
Yung pinaka-sexy, yung ano, si Angelica. Angelica ang mukha. Ay, sino sa inyo dalawa yun?
Mas itong pinaka-idol, di ba?
Thank you! Ang ganda mo ngayon, charot. Mabilis bumigay. Ayun. After a month. Sasagot ka na. Tandaan mo, hanggang dulo, tayo pa rin. Uuwi at uuwi ka sa akin. Ganon din ako sa'yo, charot. Parang may pagbabantay yung sinasabi ko. Eh. Love you. I love you much. Alam mo yun.
Yun, masaya naman and medyo kabado lang for siguro sa weather, ganun. Pero laban lang. But happy naman.
We were strangers, starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here
Noon po, nung nakita ko siya na yung gusto ko na lifetime. Nagkahiwalay na kami ng 2 years pero nakabalikan kami. Diba?
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected.
Sa wakas,
Wala.
Mabait. Guwapo. Guwapo. Responsible talaga.
Congrats sa inyo. Sana maging maganda yung pagsasama nyo. Iwasan nyo yung pagkatalo ng ganung bagay.
Best wishes sa inyong dalawa na yan. Sa'yo, sana huwag mo matigas ang ulo mo.
sobrang maalaga. Sobrang napakabait at maalaga talaga. Maunawain. Yan. Tsaka masipag. Sobrang sipag sa kanya. Yun talaga yung mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Alam kong hindi niya ako pababayaan sa huli. Siya yung alam kong tumanda man kami, kasakit man kami parehas. Siya yung makakasama ko.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Tumagal isang relasyon, dapat may trust kayo, isa't isa, at
Okay.
respeto sa bawat isa.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, pa. na pinalaki niyo ako ng ganito, na maayos.
I've been there when the world stops turning. I've been there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
Finally, we're here. We've got engaged on our anniversary. And today, we're getting married on our anniversary. Today, I make a solemn vow before God and all who are present here. I vow to love you to the end of my days, to grow with you and not apart, to make my accomplishments ours and your challenges mine.
Life is a road, now and forever, a wonderful journey. I've been there when the world stops turning. I've been there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Life is a road, and I wanna keep going.
You may now
Keep
kiss your wife.
Starting out on a journey. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river, I wanna keep flowing. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
Kayong dalawa, Errol and Joy, sa inyong pagsisimula bilang mag-asawa. And remember that your marriage, that your union is a reflection of God's divine design.
What fortune lies beyond the stars.
At always remember, kaya tayo nakatayo dito dahil kay God. Dahil pinagtagpo niya tayo para sa isa't isa.
Andito lang ako palagi bilang asawa mo. Ako yung magiging support system mo sa lahat ng bagay. Ayun, I love you and ito na yun.
Pakain.
Gcash na lang
Found my life when I laid it down. What would falling, spirit soaring. I touched the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Ayun no, si B-Boy. Hi, B. Hope you like it. It will be a big help in your sleep. Pang-extra to.
Matulog ka daw.
Thank you. Masyado mong inaalala yung health ko.
Thank you. To EJ, Bibi, I know gustong-gusto mo to bago palitan yung shoes mo. Sira na talaga. Hope you treasure this gift. Bigyan mo ako ng piso, alam mo na. Love you, Bibi. Yun, salamat. Love you.
Today, we're celebrating our 13 years together as a couple. And now, eto, nakatayo na tayo sa isa't isa.
Choosing you every day, forever. Our relationship is not easy. We may have highs and lows and everything in between. Still, thank you for staying and keep choosing us.
Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. And my soul will dance on the wings of forever. Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your love again. And my soul will dance on the wings of forever.
We're starting our new journey as we've entered our married life. New era na tayo, starting today.
So breathe in, I found my love. When I laid it down, a word falling, spirit so real.
Today I choose you above all others as my confidant, my partner, my inspiration, and my love.
My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life. When I laid it down, a word falling, spirit so real. I touched the sky with my knees and prayer. Found me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out and surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. And my soul will dance on the wings of forever. A word falling,
With you, life is an endless adventure, and I'm excited to explore it hand in hand. I love you more than words. God bless us. And God bless our marriage. I love you.
And to walk beside you hand in hand, wherever life takes us together. I love you so much.